Hello, in this video I'd like to talk about how having a fear of driving is just like believing in Father Christmas. I want you to think back to when you were a child and remember December. Do you remember what it was like in the run-up to Christmas Day when you told stories about this magical figure, Father Christmas, Santa Claus, who used to fly across the sky with magical reindeer, Blitzen, Prancer, Dancer and all the others? And do you remember how you used to feel in the run-up to Christmas? It was really magical, really exciting and really special. And then we found out that Father Christmas doesn't exist. Do you remember how you felt when you found that out? It changes everything, doesn't it? You realise he wasn't real. It was just a lie. It was all made up. It wasn't Father Christmas eating the mince pie and his reindeer, and it wasn't Father Christmas coming down the chimney, which you haven't even got, and leaving presents by the tree. It was all a lie. Just like your fear of driving. You see, if you have a fear of driving, or driving anxiety, driving phobia, whatever you choose to call it, it's not real. You're just imagining it. Now I know it seems real and you've got real physical symptoms, but those are just symptoms of a different problem that present themselves when you drive. So that's why having a fear of driving is just like Father Christmas. It's not real. And it might seem real and you might be surrounded by things that make you think it's real, but it's not. So it's as easy to get rid of as realising that there is no Father Christmas. If you like to get rid of your fear of driving and start the new year off driving on the road and getting your life back to how it used to be, just get in touch with me and we'll sort it out. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.